My name is Jade and my collection is called Dimensions. The theme of my collection is architecture and angles. I think that architecture works very well with fashion, and so I brought the elements of architecture into my designs. I started fashion in grade 9 all the way to grade 12, and I created things like suit jackets, small clothing lines, and even my own graduation gown. My high school teacher actually pushed me towards MC College to pursue my fashion skills and enhance them even more than I already have. Biggest problem throughout the year was drawing for me. My croquis weren't in proportion, and there were a lot of issues with me trying to figure out how to correctly size them. And so throughout the year I've been working on my drawing skills, and they've really enhanced since I first started, which I'm very proud of. My ideal job would probably be something working on the computer, so like working with flats, or even sewing, since that's something I really love doing, sewing and designing. Those are both very interesting to me, and I would love to continue working in that field.